Hi, I'm Roy with US Jetting. I'm the service manager here. This is a unit that we just recently refurbished. It was a complete tear down to the frame. We had to repair parts of the frame, rebuild it all back up, got it powder coated and painted in-house. When it came in, it was completely rusted. It's got over 3,600 hours on the hour meter. You know what kind of condition it's going to be in if you're in the field. The engine covers, they were all rusted out. We've got those all replaced with new. Everything's put back together. It's looking like a brand new unit. If you're interested, please reach out to us and we'll see what we can do. I mean, we can go as far as just getting your machine back up and running to completely rebuilding it.